everyone, my name is Nirja and I'm from the sunny shores of Goa. In this video, I will tell you about how to enjoy New Year in Goa. We will be talking about Goa New Year secrets, including all the hidden gems, local traditions, and party hotspots.
Firstly, I love to chill at home because outside there are a lot of tourists milling about. But if I am in the mood of party, this a lot of people know about popular locations like the beach parties and Tito's and clubs and bars like that. But like little restaurants or Cafe Mira, so they have really great Christmas New Year program where they have a live DJ and you can dance, you can have like great food. I think there's some fees, but yeah, point is throughout Goa there are little cafes and restaurants that have their own New Year's event. So if you want like hidden gems, you haven't maybe booked your passes like 6 months in advance, as you have to do if you're planning to spend New Year's in Goa, then you can always find like little joints like these, which have really great vibes and really just great New Year's party going on. But there's also the Fontaniers area. So if you don't want to go venture like to find all these places on your own, you can go to the Fontaniers area. It will be a bit crowded, but you will still find like a lot of bars and a lot of pubs with their own events, like New Year's event. It's just really great environments, everybody having fun. So that's something you can keep in mind. So you have Tito's one, then you have parties happening in like Anjuna Beach, then the parties happening in lots of the Baga Beach, Vagator Beach, so those 4 places. And besides that, yeah, like a lot of different, you have casino parties, which is very popular. So we have like casinos in Goa and tourists, and they have their own New Year's parties going on. So it's one of the happening parties. People love to book that in advance. So I think by October, all the bookings are done. So yeah, be very proactive. You want to go to one of these popular places and you just book everything in advance. I'd also like to take this chance to talk about this very unique tradition that we have. It's called Old Men. So basically, I believe it's just an excuse to party and drink. But so, our neighborhoods, like tiny residential neighborhoods, they have these local kids. They come up, they dress a straw man with old clothes and they borrow it from other people. And they call it the Old Man. They have all a beer bottle in the hand, a cigarette dangling from the straw man's mouth. And then on New Year's Eve, they burn that. So it's like a symbolizing that the old persona, the old habits are dying, and the new year will be dedicated to new, good, or like nicer habits. So there's like music. If you find like Old Man burning, there are lots of music and there's just people dancing in the streets. So you can join those too if you don't want to go out of your way. Yeah. Actually, a little off topic, but we have similar tradition during Diwali too. We have burning of Narkasur. So Narkasur used to be like the demon king. So every year, like local people, usually kids, they come together and they meet. Like Narkasur, they model their Samakor, or if they're going for sustainable, or a lot of them are going for sustainable modeling these days. So they create out of maybe coconut leaves or something, and then they paint it, and then it's paraded around the town. And whoever has the best Narkasur, this happens I think across Goa, they get some prize from the municipality. But it's just really fun because when you go out during the Narkasur time, they like a lot of Narkasurs. You have the giant ones, you have like really tiny baby Narkasurs, and then they get burned at I think around 3 in the morning, 3 or 4. But it's fun. There's a lot of music, and again, there are a lot of people dancing and drinking. So yeah, it's another fun tradition that we have. I don't know if you can hear the music, but turn my camera a little bit. So we have a cruise ship. You can see it. But there's a cruise ship over there, and they're just playing like really loud music. So that's another thing a lot of tourists like to do. Is there are 2 things they can do. Is one, we have our own cruise ships, where you can book a ticket for around 2 hours, and we'll take you across like the Mandavi River, and throughout you can enjoy the scheduled dances like folk dances and some Portuguese dances of Goa. And after that, they also let other people dance, and it's very fun. So that's something you can try out. But there are also people who sort of book entire cruise ships. So again, it's something people can keep in mind. So we have ferry boats, so they are not that expensive actually. And some ferries also host their own parties during New Year's. So it's another location to keep in your radar.